Do you believe in aliens? If there are really aliens out there, what message would you like to give them? If an alien abducted you and brought you to their leader, then back to Earth, would you tell anyone about your abduction? Like, do you believe in aliens?
No,
Why?
because I don't personally see it on in my two eyes.
Mhm.
If I had a chance na to see them, maybe I will.
Maybe your answer will be yes. Okay, so there is no life beyond Earth, right?
Yes.
Okay. If an alien abducted you and brought you to their leader, then back to Earth, would you tell anyone about your abduction?
Of course, yes. Because once and for all, the curiosity of the people about if alien
Mm,
is
true.
true will end.
Oh. So you want to be the first person to what do you call this, to confirm that it's true.
Yes, of course.
You have to bring some proofs.
Yes.
Like for example videos and photos, right? So they will really, but anyway, even you have pictures or videos, sometimes they were like, oh, it's fake, right?
Edited.
Yes. So what do you think is the best proof to bring?
Mm, I don't know. Experience. It's up to them if they believe or not.
I have a suggestion. I think you have to bring the alien with you. Right?
It's up to them if
If they want
if
to.
if they come with me.
Okay. Okay. If there are aliens out there, like for real,
Yes.
because I know you don't believe, right? But if there's, if there are aliens out there, what message would you like to give them?
Um, I hope they're all kind because people on earth are all almost kind.
Almost kind. So you want them to be kind as well. Why? Do you think they're bad?
When I watch on other videos about alien that they are true, some are saying that they are bad.
Oh, that's why you said hopefully they are kind. If they're really out, I mean aliens out there. Okay. How old are you? I'm just,
28.
28 years old. Okay. She looks very pretty for 28 years old. Okay. Anyway, thank you so much for having this interview with us. The weather here in Bicol, it's very bad, right? It's been raining for days.
Yes.
It's been raining for days. And it's been hard for us to find someone, or to let them say yes for the interview. Do you believe in aliens? Yes or no?
No,
Why?
I don't di pa po ako nakarinig.
Oh, because you've never seen one. Okay, so that's her answer, because she's never seen one. So she does. So technically, she doesn't believe because she never seen one. Okay, so there is no life beyond Earth, right? Since you said no, yes or no?
No,
No, right? No. So you don't believe that there is life beyond Earth, right?
yes.
Okay. What if there's an alien? I mean, no. If an alien abducted you and brought you to their leader, then back to Earth, would you tell anyone about your abduction? Like for example, kapag inabduct ka, kinuha ka kang abduct, pag kinuha ka kang alien, tapos dinara ka dun sa leader nila, tapos pagbalik mo dito sa Earth, itatara mo ba siya sa tao na inabduct ka, kinuha ka?
Um, Depende.
Depends to what? She said it depends. Depends to what?
If if ayoko
Say
kumain.
it Bicol or Tagalog.
Um, if po naka-experience po ako at hindi po ako
Ganito, and then, iistorya mo ba siya? Like for example, sa mga friend mo na, "Uy, nga kinuha ko kang alien." Yes or no?
yes,
Okay, she will tell her friends, yes. Why?
kasi po may experience ka po sa
Oh. because she experienced it happened to her, so she's gonna tell her friends that she was abducted by the alien. Do you think your friends are gonna believe you?
No.
So what will happen now? What do you think will, and what will you do if they said no, you're just joking?
Um, I don't
Nothing. Okay. Anyway, she's very shy. That's why, guys. If there are aliens out there, what message would you like to give them? Ano bang masabi mong message sa inyo kung totoong may alien?
Nothing, Mario po.
Nothing. You will just smile at them. She's very shy. Do you believe in aliens?
Yes.
How do they look like?
It's like a big head, long, ano? What do you call that?
Long arms?
Long arms. So, yun lang.
Have you seen one like in real life?
Not in only in imagination.
Diba? So, what makes you think that they're real aside from, imagination? What makes you like feel like, oh, they're really, they are really existing?
I think when I saw in movie, so aside from my imagination, so I have a experience from during watching a movie like that. So, yun.
How about documentation about or documentaries about aliens? Have you seen those kind of videos aside from movies? Documentations like documentaries,
No, none.
just videos like
Yeah.
movies. Okay. If an alien abducted you and brought you to their leader, then back to Earth, would you tell anyone about your abduction?
I think I think no, nothing.
No. Okay.
Yeah, it's just for me it's just confidentiality for
It's confidential
yeah.
for you. So you will just keep it to yourself.
Yeah.
Why? Aside from you just want to be, confident, you just want it to keep from others. Why? Because you want it to why?
Because some people they don't believe aliens, so I just keep it on my own.
So it's like you don't want to be judged by others, especially those who don't believe about,
It's, some because to respect them. Yeah, so yun lang.
Okay, so okay. If there are really aliens out there, what message would you like to give them?
To give alien. So for me na lang siguro opinion. So if I saw them, I want to bring me to their places and explore me there.
So you want to see their place?
Yes, I want to see their places and I want to explore their places.
Their home as well.
Yeah.
Are you not scared?
Maybe not.
Why? What makes you not feel scared?
Because I have a confident na if I'm kind to them, they back to me the kindness I show them.
That's very nice. Okay. Because some people they would think negative, but
Yeah.
you believe in kindness. That's really beautiful. How old are you?
I'm 23 years old na.
23. And you're still studying, right?
Yeah.
And we know what's your course, if you don't mind.
BSMT,
What's your course?
medical technology.
Medical technology. Medtech. Okay, I see. Well, anyway, but thank you so much for having this interview. Salamat. Oh, you're welcome. Hopefully, we earned your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you so much for watching and take care, everyone.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
Beautiful reflections